Hello there, Pierre here. This video looks and feels different because it is different. This is not my typical kind of video, talking heads video. I usually don't do those, but I wanted to share something with you. This video is about how doing YouTube, channeling my passion for automobiles, for car repair, and the automotive industry as a whole made me fall in love with something completely different. So I started this channel, to give you a little bit of context. I started this channel back in 2018. And back in 2018, I was studying and I said, okay, I bought a camera. Said, you know what? I am going to start a YouTube channel. I just wanted to show my passion, on camera. At that time, I didn't know anything about cameras or videography, photography as a whole. I didn't know anything about those, so I had to learn. So if you look at my channel from 2018 to now and you make a comparison with channels that started at around the same time as me, I am nowhere near those channels. Comparing the videos, because right now I'm at about 88 videos and those channels already passed, like, I don't know, hundreds of videos already. And you see those videos on the internet, people that have been on YouTube for 7 years, they already, if they didn't pass millions of subscribers, they're near millions of subscribers. Those people have hundreds of thousands of subscribers. And me, look at me right now. If we make that comparison, I am not even at 1,000 subscribers. So I just reached 811 subscribers. I am very grateful for you guys because I don't do this for the subscriber count. I don't do this to compare myself with other channels. I do this my way and I work at my own pace. This video is not a plea for you to subscribe to my channel. And in fact, if you subscribe, I'm very grateful for you, as I said. But this is not a plea to get more subscribers. This is more about how showing my passion on camera, using cameras as a tool, made me fall in love with cameras. Right now, I find myself looking at camera videos, camera reviews, and all those things. And now I just fell in love with the setup, making videos, taking photos. I would wake up early in the morning nowadays just to take pictures, just capture moments, capture life. The personality that you see behind the camera, me doing car repair videos, this is not really me. In real life, that the people that know me, that watch my videos, they're like, what happened to you? Why are you so serious in those videos? Because in real life, I am not really a serious person. I have a lot of fun. In fact, people call me an SHIT talker because I talk a lot of crap. I have a lot of fun and I also make fun of people. I can take jokes. I do all those things. That's me. So this guy, channeling his passion for car repairs, automobiles in the automotive industry, find himself falling in love for cameras. So my recent videos, if you watch my recent videos, and if I'm moving around, this is a Sony ZV-E10. I bought this camera, I think, a little over a year ago because I wanted to get more serious about YouTube. And I said, okay, you know what? I'm going to buy this camera. A lot of YouTubers, as you know, they suggested this camera as a beginner's camera. So my first camera, I bought it back in 2018. And then after that, I sold it. I decided cameras, cell phone cameras have gotten better. I decided to film with my cell phone cameras because I switched to an iPhone at the time. They're really good with videos. So then recently I said, okay, I'm going to get very serious about YouTube. I bought the ZV-E10. This is a really, really good camera. And I've shot lots of my recent videos with it. And now I decided to upgrade to the Sony 7 IV. This is a really good camera. In fact, this video is being filmed with this Sony 7 IV. I'm also looking at the new Sony release of the 7 V. I had a really good deal on this camera. I really love it. So I find myself watching a lot of camera videos, taking lots of pictures, And I film videos that I don't even post. So this is insane to see in life that you're trying to do something that you think you love, and you're channeling that passion, you're following your own pace, you're doing the stuff your way, and then you find yourself, falling in love with something else. A lot of the time, you see people stuck in a job that they don't like, and they say they don't like it. But I think if you really put the effort into something, and you try, if you have to do it, at least try to show some interest, try to show some passion. Because I didn't think today a guy like me that just love mechanical stuff, that loves technology around cars, would find himself taking pictures all the time, falling in love with cameras, setting up studios, and do all those things. And I even bought a MacBook. So this MacBook, I got so serious about taking photos and videos, and also do editing. I find myself loving videography and photography. And this is me. Not only do I love cars that I film with the tool that I film them with, I am also in love with this tool. Thank you very much for watching. I'll see you in another car repair video.